In the timer panel, the timer button is used for program review and setting the programs. Manual button is to select the mode between on, auto and off. Clock button is used to adjust the current day and time. Day button to adjust the day of the week. Hour button to adjust the hours and min button to minutes respectively. Reset button is used to reset the complete program. The LED glows in red when the output is active. Now to adjust the real time. Press and hold the clock button and press the day button to change the day. And hour button to change the hour in 24 hours format. And min button to set the minutes. Once the setting is over, release the clock button. Now to set the timer, press the timer button once and select your desired day combination. And now the hour in 24 hours format. And the minutes. Again press the timer button to enter the off setting of the first program. Also ensure the auto function is selected. It can be changed by alternate press of the manual button. Now as per the program at 10:33 the output is active. Different day schedules are possible. 15 on-off program sets are allowed. Now it is off at 10:34. To override the auto function, press the manual button to the desired indicator position to change between on, auto or off. Also ensure auto mode is selected to function the timer as per your program schedule.